got it on. He's just putting the boats in.
Hey y'all, welcome to another adventure of brand new life, y'all. So y'all, as you can see by the receipts on the window, this is day 5. We're at our parking space. So our park came in, yay. So hon, tell them what we got there.
This is a brand new starter for an International 3700 school bus. This is the old one, and see it's loose, the bearings gone in it, and you can see it started to scrape like that. See, it's not supposed to be like that, and but it didn't damage anything. But this is the old one, so it's probably been on there since the bus was built. So this is the one that's going on. I'm putting it on in the morning.
Nice.
Putting it on in the morning. See how that one is? So
that's a water pump, y'all. For a 1994 International Carpenter Build 3700, y'all. 1994. So we got that part, and then it came with the gasket and a couple of more bolts. I guess those are extra bolts in case we didn't have the ones that came off the old one. So yeah, focus. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's the gasket that came with it. So this is our last night, prayerfully. Hopefully that was the thing that was leaking. But when we turn the bus back on, we did notice that the water was coming out from wherever the water pump was. So that was the thing that was leaking.
I knew what it was when I shook the fan blades and the way that the bed shook. Mm-hmm. So that let me know that the bearings were gone.
So yeah, y'all. So we will see y'all tomorrow.
Yep.
Or in the morning. That's because it is the nighttime has caught us by the time we gotten it in.
Yeah, my buddy
to us. Yeah.
My buddy drove and brought it to me.
So in the morning, first thing we will be putting it on. And this is an easy install. So
You can see he's putting it on. He's got it on. He's just putting the boats in.
He has put the water pump on. It's in the final stages of completing the job. He's tightening the belts now. Drinking his coffee. Alright, I can't see maybe y'all can. So, we'll bring you back when it's done and we're cranked up till the next clip. So the hubby has asked me to start filling up water, so I reckon he's about done. So now I'm putting some water in this bucket. And I have another container where we had coolant in. I'm trying to find it. It's in the back somewhere. I'm gonna go back here and look for it. I'll see y'all in a minute. So y'all, we cranked up, we let the engine get warm. So now we've discovered that it's the water pump. We got a new water pump, that's a great thing. However, we think it's the thermostat. It's either the thermostat or the radiator. So right now he's about to take the thermostat off until we can get another one, so we can get rolling here. So he says he has to take the alternator off. He said he has to take the alternator off to get to the thermostat. Doing that. Taking the alternator off. And I'll come back with you once he takes the thermostat off and show y'all the thermostat. Alright. You got something to say, huh? You want to let them know what you're doing?
Just tell them.
Okay.
Then I'm taking out the thermostat out. I'm gonna take the thermostat out long enough for us to make it to an auto parts first. Get a new one, let it cool off, put that one in.
So hopefully the auto place has the one that we need for our particular model. So we'll call them first before we leave here. case we have to order it online, because we usually have to order our parts online. So we'll get back with y'all once we find out something different. Alright y'all, till the next clip. Hey y'all, so he's gotten the radiator off, and we put it in hot water. However, that cone-like shape little bit, it's not opening all the way, letting water get into cool the engine, or radiator, or letting the cooling cool the engine. So that's what the problem is. So at least we got a new water pump. The bearings that went out on them because it was leaking from the water pump as well. So, but we got a new water pump, and we're about to go get another thermostat and see what it does. All right, it opened, but it barely opened. When he put it in hot boiling water. Alright, we'll get back with you. He's putting right now, he's putting the alternator back on and putting it back together so we can go to the auto parts store. Alright.